Hi everybody, so in today's video, I'm going to help you decide if you should try the Ardell Magnetic Lash and Liner or if you should just save your money. So I have here the Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes with the liquid liner. So this lash and liner set retails for $15 and Ardell has a variety of styles to choose from. So let's just get straight into the application. Like I said, I got the kit with the liquid liner and the liquid liner is very pigmented and easy to apply. So according to the instructions, you need to apply 2 layers of liner and apply the lashes while the liner is still semi-wet. And because of this, you don't have to wait too long for the liner to dry before applying the eyelashes, making the application process very quick. So my lashes have 3 magnets on it. Again, I got the Demi Wispy style. Because of this, I'm always worried that my lashes will fly off while I'm wearing the lashes. So I have tested these lashes a couple of times, but I didn't try them in crazy weather. I've only worn them indoors for a couple hours. So there is a possibility that these lashes might fall off if you're outside experiencing some heavy winds. So here's the thing. My lashes have 3 magnets on them, but I did go to the store and look at them again. I saw that Ardell sold the same exact set, the liquid liner Demi Wispies, but it had 4 magnets on it. So I don't know why some lashes have 3 magnets and some have 4, but if you're in the market, definitely look for the one with 4 magnets on them. So for the pros of this magnetic lashes, it is very comfortable to wear all day. For me personally, when I apply lashes with regular eyelash glue, I get some poking in my eyes in the inner corners, the outer corners, or just some discomfort. But with these lashes, there's none of that at all. The eyeliner also lasts a very long time. It doesn't crack or chip off like the eyeliner magnetic liner does. And this liner also doesn't smudge. Another thing is that Ardell make the magnetic lashes in many different styles, so I'm sure you'll be able to find one that you like out there. They have natural lashes, they have faux mink lashes, and they also have their regular, their most famous, their wispies and their demi wispies. So I'm sure anyone can find a style that they like. So the only problem I have with these lashes is that mine specifically only have 3 magnets. I wish they made all of them with 4 magnets. So maybe the 3 magnets and the 4 magnets are just a different batch and Ardell's gonna choose one of them and stick with it in the future. I'm hoping it'd be the 4 magnet one because I'm sure those would work way better than the 3 magnets do. Because although they are secure on my eyes, it's only secure in the inner corners, outer corner, and 1 magnet right in the middle. So sometimes you do see a little gap on the eyes. So that's about all I have to say about these lashes. They do work and it's not hard to use. It's not the best lash and liner available out there simply because of the 3 magnets. The liner itself works great. I love that it doesn't have a long drying time. If you saw my review for the Eyelure Pro Magnetic Lashes, I had to keep my eyes closed like this while waiting for the liner to dry, because if I didn't, the liner would hit the top of my eyelids. With this liner, that's not a problem. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. So if you do want to see the Eyelure Pro Magnetic Lash and Liner review, I'm going to link it down below, and hopefully in the future I'm going to try out one of the last sets, the Kiss Magnetic Lashes, and maybe the Glamnetics one. If I can get myself to pay that price for the lashes, then I will do a full review roundup of all of the magnetic lash and liner sets and see which one is better. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!